What up, YouTube? This your boy T Fly, and tonight we're gonna do a fly review on the LeBron 17 red carpet. Yes, sir. I must say this is one of my favorite LeBron silhouettes. Smock. Oh, let's get into the unboxing and let's do the on foot review. Alright, bah. So let's crack the lid on the LeBron 17 red carpet. We got the wax paper. And we got these beautiful bad boys. One thing I can say about this shoe is it's red. Yes, sir. And they is smart. We got the knit posit with the orange swirls in it and the dark red. We got the red Nike swoosh, red air bubble, the LeBron James signature at the bottom with the clear red sole. Yes, sir. And we do have some red leather on the tongue. Red eyes. And then the inside we got LJ 17, like when you go to the movies and you watching the show and they tell you who can and can't get up in there. LIJ, those initials. LeBron James' name. These shoes drop November 15th, I believe, or 16th. Retail $200. They are now sold out. Smog. Smog, and they beautiful. Well, that's the on foot review for y'all. I appreciate y'all checking out the vid. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all favorite colorway of the LeBron 17 silhouette is, and I'll catch y'all later.